Here we have a numerical problem. 3 resistors 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm are combined in series. What is the total resistance? Next part, if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt and negligible resistance, obtain potential drop across each resistors. This question has been asked in board exam March 2016. So data, what is the given thing? So we will collect the data from the problem. So what is the condition here? Actually the 3 resistors, here the problem does not care, the figure does not carry any marks, but for our clarity we will just draw the figure here. So 3 resistors are there, they are connected in series, R1, say R2, R3, and this combination is connected to a battery. It is connected to a battery of EMF 12 volt and negligible internal resistance. So what are the data given? R1 value is given. R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm, R3 is 3 ohm. So first part, what is the total resistance? So what is the equivalent resistance? Since they are combined in series, we have the formula R equivalent equal to, since they are in series, the sum of the resistances R1 plus R2 plus R3, so it is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. So it is equal to 3 plus 3, 6 ohm. R equivalent resistance equal to 6 ohm. Next part, in this part, second part, this combination is connected to a battery of EMF is 12 volt. So for the second part, if you take the data, for the second part, the data is EMF of the cell is 12 volt, and it is mentioned negligible resistance. Negligible resistance means internal resistance is negligible, so we can take R is almost equal to 0, or R is equal to 0. We have a formula to find the current. What is the current here? So if you know the current, then you can find what is the potential difference across R1, what is the potential difference across R2, what is the potential difference across R3, we can find. So that's our challenge, next challenge. So before finding that one, we should know what is the current. Since this acts as the external resistor, so altogether these 3 resistors now in series, they act as, their effect is R equivalent. Now we have the formula for the current in that combination. R equivalent is equal to, I is equal to E by R equivalent plus small r. So R, small r, here you can take small r is equal to 0, internal resistance negligible, so it is 0. Therefore E equal to, it is 12 volt battery, 12. We have got the resistance of the combination is equal to 6. So the current comes I equal to 2 amperes. I equal to 2 amperes. So next part, final part is obtain the potential drop across each resistors. What is the potential drop across each resistors? In this circuit, when the battery is connected, the current I flows here. So I, when flows through R1, there is no other go, that same I has to pass through R2 and R3. So now we can get the individual potential differences. So potential difference, first part, potential difference across the resistor R1 is equal to, R1 is, so Ohm's law we know, Ohm's law, in most of the problems you should know the Ohm's law. So V equal to IR, that is the formula we are going to use. Here potential difference across R1 is nothing but V1. So V1 is equal to I into R1. So 2 amperes into 1, it is equal to, okay, one line only I will take, 2 into 1, so it is 2 volt. Next, what is the potential difference across the resistor R2? Potential difference across, we can call potential difference or potential drop one and same, R2, it is symbolized V2. Ohm's law gives the formula here, it is I into R2. It's very important, the key word or key of the series combination is current is same in all the resistors. So current is same, I, so it is 2, what is the resistance of this one R2? It is 2 ohm, so it is equal to 4 volt. And finally the third resistor, so PD across R3 is V3. It is I into R3, so current I is 2 ampere and R3 value we know 3 ohm into 3, so it is equal to 6 volt. So final answers, V1 equal to 2 volt, V2 equal to 4 volt and V3 equal to 6 volt. So while you are doing the numericals, it is better to put the square or some circle or underline, so it highlights the answers. So this is a 5-mark problem. How the marks are distributed? No marks will be given for the circuit diagram, because circuit diagram is not necessary to solve this problem. To get the idea, I have drawn the circuit diagram. So 1 mark here, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3 marks. So 5 marks you are going to get distributed, and with the formula also. There will be some other differences also will be made, but you should get the answers, and it's very important in all numericals the answer should have the proper SI unit. So here resistance ohm is there, current ampere is there, potential difference is the voltage. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. See another numericals here. This is in the parallel combination. So 3 resistors, 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 8 ohm are combined in parallel. What is the total resistance? Second part, if the combination is connected to a battery of EMF 25 volt and negligible resistance, determine the current through each resistor and the total current drawn from the battery. In this problem also figure does not carry any marks, still we will have the figure, so it will be helpful, more helpful to get the formula, and also we get the idea easily. So there are 3 resistors, R1, R2 and R3. R1 is equal to 4 ohm, R2 equal to 6 ohm, R3 equal to 8 ohm. This combination is connected to a battery of 25 volt and negligible internal resistance are equal to 0. To solve this one, we have the data. R1 we have, I have written there. If you want, you can write once again. R1 equal to 4 ohm, R2 equal to 6 ohm and R3 equal to 8 ohm. Since they are connected in parallel, it is reciprocal. Sum of the reciprocals of individual resistance will be equal to the equivalent resistance. 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Substituting 1 by 4 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 8 if you solve the problem, we will get, so common denominator we can have 24, 4 6 are 6 4s are 8 3s are, so 13 by 24. This is the place where you should take care. Actually, this is the reciprocal now. 1 by R equivalent equal to 13 by 24. Therefore, R equivalent equal to 24 by 13. So 1.846. 1.846 is that much ohm. R equivalent 1.846 ohm. Now this whole combination, this combination's effective resistance equivalent will be equal to R equivalent is equal to 1.846 ohm. To find the branch current and total current also we can find. Here we have the formula. First we will take the current, main current in the circuit, I equal to E by R equivalent plus small r. Data E given, it is 25 volt. R equivalent we have just found 1.846 ohm. Small r equal to 0 ohm. 0. Substituting here, E 25 divided by 1.846 plus 0. So it is equal to 25 divided by 1.846. It comes to be equal to 13.54 amperes. It is equal to current I equal to 13.54 amperes. This is the main current there flowing in this one. Now our challenge question here, he has asked what is the current through R1, so what is I1, what is the current through R2, and what is the current through the resistor R3. Using Ohm's law, we can solve this problem. Current through R1, using the Ohm's law, we have Ohm's law V equal to IR. Using that one, we get R equal to V by current through resistor R1. Current through resistor R1 is I1 is equal to V by R1. V is equal to here 25 divided by R1 is equal to here 4. So it is equal to 6.25 amperes. So I1 is equal to 6.25 amperes. Current through R2 is I2. I2 is equal to V by R2. So substituting 25 divided by R2 value we have 6. So 6 equal to, we get I2 equal to 6 4s are 1 6, this much amperes, 4.16 ampere. And current through the resistor R3 is I3, V by R3. R3 is equal to 8 ohm. 25 divided by 8. 25 divided by 8, and 8 3 is 1. I3 equal to 3.12 amperes. Okay, 3.125 comes clearly. Exact value is 3.125 amperes. So total current also you can cross verify whether it is I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to I. So this concludes this problem. When we studied the combination of resistors, the resistors are said to be connected in parallel when they are connected between two common points such that the potential difference is same and the main current is equal to the sum of the currents through the resistors. That is the condition. And if you remember, for series combination it is end-to-end connection and current is same there. So this is the idea. Okay, ಸರಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾರಂಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು ವಾಯ್ಸ್.